Happy Monday, South Georgia. We are watching an area of disturbed weather down here in the western and southwestern portions of the Caribbean. The Hurricane Center now gives us a 40% chance of tropical development over the next several days. The modeling, some of it has it moving to the east of Florida as a full-blown hurricane. Others just kind of have it meandering down there for the next 10 to 12 days in the Caribbean. It's something we'll definitely need to watch. It's an area favored for tropical development this time of year. That's the warmest waters in the Atlantic Basin. And also the weather pattern fits. Whenever you have a ridge of high pressure, which we've been under for several days now, a couple weeks actually, you have the ridge, and below it you have the area of troubled weather. So it's the ridge over troubled waters scenario. We'll be watching it very carefully, but nothing imminent at this time. Your forecast for today, as we start off the morning, we're going to be milder because of this cloud cover, something we haven't seen in a long time. A little weak backdoor front working into our area, and that front will keep the temperatures in the 60s this morning through around 11, and then we'll crack 70. We will start to see some sunshine to end the day, and temperatures hanging out in the upper 70s with that easterly wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Evening planner, clear skies, temperatures going from the low 70s to the mid 60s, and then tonight will be comfortably cool, down to 57 degrees. Let's go to the weather maps. There's that old boundary kind of falling apart here to our south and west, and a new high pressure. How many highs have we had? I'm counting 3 or 4 so far. Now, we're going to see a little bit more wind this week, but not windy. I mean, we've got this east to southeast wind, but that may bring some light rain showers to the coastal areas of Georgia. A little higher humidity and milder starts, and I think by Wednesday that maybe end up being the breeziest day. You can see the lines of equal pressure tightening up, and that also means the milder start on Wednesday morning. We may actually be in the mid 60s, mostly because of the wind, and the breeze will continue to blow, but we're going to pump up the warmth for sure. Here's a front, has no chance of making it here over the next week or so. It may not be until November 7th that we'll actually have a real front move in, drop our temperatures, and cool us down. That's actually a week away from, of course, November 2nd, that would be Sunday, so that's a week away from Sunday. I mean, we're talking many, many days without rainfall here. And again, that's so long out that you can't really put much credence into something that's that far out to bring us a chance of a shower and a more significant cool down. 57 to 82 on Tuesday, mostly sunny, 64 to 86 on Wednesday. Halloween will be partly cloudy. We'll start off 61, get to 85, so temperatures will be in the 70s generally for the trick-or-treaters. 60 to 84 on Friday. More warmth, a little more humidity, a little more wind, but it's more of the same. Dry times dominate. 21 consecutive days now with any rain here in Albany, Georgia. Some areas are even longer. We'll talk about those rain chances, the tropics, and the rest of your forecast on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. Of course, we'll see you then.